What if the pyramids were power plants? Across the deserts of Egypt, colossal structures rise from the sand. The Great Pyramid of Giza, an architectural marvel. Its impressive dimensions and precise alignments inspire wonder and curiosity. Mainstream history tells us these were tombs for pharaohs, built to honor and elevate them to the afterlife. Yet, what if they served a far more advanced purpose? The ancient Egyptians possessed knowledge that still eludes modern science. Their understanding of geometry, astronomy, and engineering was unparalleled. Some researchers suggest that the pyramids were not merely burial sites, but sophisticated energy generators. Consider the materials used in their construction: limestone, granite, and basalt. Each of these stones resonates with unique frequencies. Some theorists speculate that these materials were part of a grander design, creating a vibrational harmonic system, harnessing Earth's natural energies. What if they generated electrical energy, harnessing the Earth's magnetic field? Legends speak of the lost technology of the ancients, suggesting that the pyramids could have operated as massive power plants, transmitting energy to nearby temples and cities. Studies from places as far as South America reveal similar structures that share striking resemblances to the pyramids. Are we witnessing a global phenomenon of ancient cultures tapping into a universal source of energy? The layout of the Giza Plateau is also fascinating. The pyramids align with the stars, particularly Orion's belt. But what if these alignments weren't merely astronomical references, but integral to a power-generating function? Imagine a network of pyramids working together, channeling energy through a system of subterranean chambers and tunnels. What if they created a grid that connected all of civilization in a vast web of power? As researchers analyze the pyramid's acoustics, they find that sound waves travel through the chambers, creating resonant frequencies capable of influencing the environment, much like how modern technologies utilize vibrations to transmit energy. Could these ancient builders have understood concepts of energy that we are just beginning to explore? If the pyramids were indeed power plants, then what happened to this knowledge? Was it lost through the ages, fading into myth? Or is it buried deep in ancient texts, waiting for a new generation to uncover its secrets? The mysteries of the pyramids linger. What if the keys to unlocking their true purpose lie in our ability to look beyond the surface? What if these ancient wonders were our first glimpse into a technology that, once harnessed, could reshape the world as we know it? The Great Pyramids of Giza, soaring into the skyline of ancient Egypt, have long captivated the imagination of explorers and scholars alike. Built with unparalleled precision, the pyramids stand as a testament to the ingenuity of the builders who designed such monumental structures thousands of years ago. But what if these iconic edifices were not merely tombs for pharaohs, but something far more powerful? Pyramids are found across the globe. From the towering structures of Mesoamerica to the lesser-known pyramidal formations in China and Sudan. Each of these structures exhibits unique angles, alignments, and materials that seem to resonate with the earth itself. Some researchers propose that these ancient civilizations possessed knowledge of energy harnessing that remains elusive to modern science. Consider the mathematical relationships embedded in the pyramids, the use of the golden ratio, and the alignment with the cardinal points. Could it be that these precise measurements were intended to capture and channel energy from the earth or even the cosmos? Legends of the pyramids often speak of them as gateways between realms, places where the energy of the universe converged. Ancient texts describe rituals that involved sound, light, and even movement to activate these forces. Could the ancient Egyptians have been tapping into a form of energy that transcends our understanding? Studies in recent years have revealed that certain geological formations can produce electromagnetic fields. What if the pyramids were strategically placed atop these energy sources? The massive limestone blocks, with their specific crystalline structures, may have functioned as conductors, amplifying and distributing energy throughout the complex. Could it be that the internal chambers of the pyramids were not just burial spaces, but specifically designed to harness vibrational frequencies? Acoustic experiments within these chambers suggest they may act as resonators, amplifying sound and possibly allowing for healing or transformative experiences. If the pyramids were indeed power plants built to tap into the Earth's energy, what does that mean for our understanding of ancient civilizations? Did they possess a technology that has been forgotten through the ages? Within the shadows of these monumental structures lie untold secrets waiting to be discovered. As modern technology evolves, we may one day uncover the truths that have been buried alongside them, revealing that our ancient ancestors may have held the keys to harnessing the very forces that govern our existence. Could the power of the pyramids still be alive, hidden deep within their stone walls, just waiting for humanity to remember how to activate it? The Great Pyramids of Giza, standing tall amidst the shifting sands of time, their massive stone blocks constructed with precision that defies explanation. For centuries, they have been viewed as tombs for pharaohs, monuments to human ambition. But what if they served an entirely different purpose? Scholars suggest they were built to honor the dead, but numerous theories propose a more intriguing idea. Could these immense structures have been designed to harness energy? Structures that resonate with the forces of the earth itself. The pyramids are aligned with incredible precision to the cardinal points, their geometry reflecting the design of the cosmos. Some researchers propose that this alignment allowed them to tap into the Earth's electromagnetic field to create a source of energy that could be used for various advanced technologies. Ancient texts describe the importance of sound, of vibration, and the capabilities of certain frequencies to alter states of consciousness. What if the pyramids were not just monumental tombs, but giant resonators, devices capable of channeling energy from the ground and amplifying it through their very structure? Consider the internal chambers, designed with meticulous care, featuring smooth surfaces that could bounce sound waves. What if ancient civilizations understood the relationship between sound and energy? Could they have crafted a system that transformed sound into power? A method long forgotten? Research into the properties of certain minerals used in the pyramids suggests they could have served a purpose beyond mere aesthetics. Quartz, used extensively in the construction, has piezoelectric properties. When subjected to pressure, it generates electricity. Ancient builders could have utilized these characteristics to create a functional energy system. And as the pyramids were indeed power plants, what implications would that have for our understanding of ancient civilizations? A society capable of harnessing advanced technologies, thriving long before our modern age. Were they custodians of knowledge that transcended time? Knowledge that could allow them to manipulate the energy around them to create a harmonious relationship with the forces of nature. As we delve deeper into these enigmatic structures, we must ask ourselves, is it possible that the pyramids were not built solely for the glorification of kings, but were in fact a testament to a civilization that understood the secrets of the universe? Secrets that could still hold the key to unlocking untapped potential in our own reality. As we explore these possibilities, we begin to see the pyramids not merely as tombs, but as symbols of what humanity might achieve when aligned with the fundamental energies of the world around us. The resonance of the ages, echoing through time, waiting for us to listen. The pyramids of Giza, majestic structures that pierce the Egyptian skyline, standing watch over deserts for millennia. But what if these iconic monuments were more than mere tombs for pharaohs? The ancient Egyptians were master builders and astronomers, their knowledge of geometry and engineering unmatched. Some theorists propose that these massive stone edifices functioned as power plants, harnessing an energy source that we have yet to fully understand. Inscriptions on temple walls depict strange symbols and scenes of energy manipulation, suggesting that the ancients possessed technology far beyond our current capabilities. Could the pyramids have acted as giant receivers of electromagnetic energy, channeling it to illuminate the night sky? Some researchers point to the alignment of the pyramids with celestial bodies, believing they were built to capture and store energy emitted from the Earth and cosmos. The Great Pyramid, for example, was originally covered in highly polished Tura limestone, capable of reflecting sunlight, creating a brilliant beacon that could be seen for miles. Could this shimmering facade have acted as a lens or a conduit, concentrating energy in ways we have yet to comprehend? Archaeological evidence reveals signs of a sophisticated understanding of solar cycles and lunar rhythms, perhaps indicating that ancient cultures knew how to tap into the natural energies of the earth. Could they have constructed their monuments in such a way as to maximize their exposure to these forces? Furthermore, in underground chambers beneath the pyramids, researchers have discovered strange acoustic properties that amplify sound waves, perhaps serving as a resonance chamber for energies flowing through the structure. Were these chambers designed to enhance the power being generated? What if the pyramids were never intended to be places of burial, but instead served as an advanced technological hub, a center of energy generation that could have powered entire cities or facilitated communication across vast distances? If this is true, then the ancient Egyptians were not merely architects of stone, but architects of light, harnessing forces that we are just beginning to rediscover. Were the pyramids, then, a legacy of knowledge that has been obscured by time? Or are they just the beginning, waiting for humanity to unlock the secrets woven deeply within their walls? The ancient Egyptians are renowned for their monumental achievements. Among them, the Grand Pyramids stand as a testament to human ingenuity and ambition. But what if these colossal structures served a purpose beyond that of tombs and monuments? Archaeologists have long marveled at the precise alignments of the pyramids, their positioning relative to the cardinal points, their orientation toward celestial bodies. However, could these alignments suggest a deeper understanding of the natural world? One intriguing theory posits that the Nile River, a lifeblood of civilization, played a crucial role in the engineering of these structures. The annual flooding of the Nile provided not only fertile soil, but, potentially, a source of hydraulic power. What if the ancient Egyptians harnessed the flow of water to generate energy? Historians suggest that the Nile was more than just a waterway. It was a central part of their everyday life, a resource they deeply understood. Ancient texts speak of water-lifting devices, such as the shadoof, which allowed them to manage their vital water supply. But could these mechanisms have been part of a larger plan? Imagine a network of canals connected to the pyramids, channels that directed water through intricate systems of sluices and turbines, creating power generated by the river itself. Some researchers propose that this water-based energy could have contributed to the construction of massive stone blocks, allowing them to be moved with ease. Moreover, ancient texts and mythologies often reference the concept of a life-giving water. Could this water have been seen as sacred? Perhaps the pyramids were not only tombs for pharaohs, but also conduits of power, connecting the earth to the heavens. In modern times, scientists have studied water's unique properties, revealing that it has the ability to store energy. The pyramids, with their vast stone structures, may have acted as reservoirs of this energy. If these theories hold true, it raises profound questions about the knowledge of ancient civilizations. Did they possess a technology that we are only beginning to comprehend? Were they able to manipulate the forces of nature in ways that have been lost to history? As researchers continue to explore the mysteries of the pyramids, they open the door to a remarkable possibility. Perhaps these structures were not merely tombs of the dead, but sacred power plants, harnessing the lifeblood of the Nile designed to illuminate the darkness of the ancient world and beyond. What if the pyramids were power plants? Throughout history, the Great Pyramids of Egypt have captivated the minds of both scholars and adventurers alike. From the towering structure of Khufu at Giza to the lesser-known pyramids scattered across the landscape, many mysteries are woven into their very fabric. Ancient texts describe the pyramids as monuments built to honor the gods. But what if they were also designed for a purpose much more profound? These colossal structures exhibit incredible precision in their alignment to celestial bodies, the stars, the sun, and even the moon. Sites like the Great Pyramid are aligned so closely with the cardinal points that they seem to mirror the very cosmos itself. But why would ancient architects invest such effort into aligning these monumental buildings with the heavens? Could it be that they understood something about the universe that has been lost to time? Astrophysicists suggest that the positioning of these structures may have served to harness specific energies emitted from celestial bodies. By aligning these pyramids with particular stars, could they have tapped into cosmic forces, channeling them into a power source unlike anything we can comprehend today? Moreover, ancient cultures across the globe built their own pyramids and mounds, each with striking similarities in terms of celestial orientation. From the pyramids of Teotihuacan in Mexico to the burial mounds of North America, they all seem to echo a desire to connect with the cosmos. As we delve deeper into the secrets held within these grand structures, we find that the alignments extend beyond just positioning. They correlate with significant solar events, including solstices and equinoxes. If these pyramids were indeed designed as power plants, could the construction of such precise alignments have been a way of establishing a dialogue with the universe? Were these ancient people using the Earth's magnetic fields and celestial rhythms to unlock a hidden energy source? In this light, the pyramids transformed from mere tombs to potential hubs of ancient wisdom, where the knowledge of celestial navigation, energy, and power was once mastered. As we continue to unearth the enigmas of the pyramids, we must ask ourselves, what if their purpose was not simply to honor the dead, but to connect humanity with the universe itself? Across the arid sands of Egypt, rising majestically above the desert floor, stand the Great Pyramids of Giza, monumental structures that have fascinated humankind for millennia. But what if these iconic edifices were not just tombs for pharaohs, but advanced power plants designed to harness energy from the earth itself? Historians tell us these pyramids were built as grand monuments to the afterlife, but the precision of their construction raises questions that modern engineering struggles to answer. Mathematical alignments, gravitational pulls, and an enigmatic relationship with the cosmos. Could it be that ancient civilizations understood the principles of energy generation and manipulation far beyond what we thought possible? Some theorists propose that the pyramids were aligned with specific star constellations and designed to capture cosmic energy, transmuting it into a usable form, perhaps even to power entire cities. Consider the materials used in their construction: limestone, granite, and a mysterious substance known as sarcophagus granite. These materials exhibit unique properties that some believe could conduct energy, creating an electrifying network coursing beneath the pyramids. Throughout history, there have been accounts of strange phenomena occurring near these structures. Unexplained lights, changes in electromagnetic fields, and experiences of heightened awareness among those who stand before them. Are the pyramids merely relics of the past, or could they still be connected to an ancient energy grid, waiting for us to uncover its secrets? If the pyramids were indeed power plants, then the implications stretch far beyond Egypt. What if the ancients had established a global network of energy-producing sites, interconnected, transmitting energy across vast distances to power their civilizations? Historical records suggest that such knowledge may have existed. Legends of lost technologies that could manipulate natural forces. Could this knowledge have been intentionally hidden or lost to cataclysms and time? As we explore these possibilities, we must ask ourselves, what if the true purpose of the pyramids was to remind us of our own potential? A legacy left by ancient architects who understood the essential connection between the earth and the cosmos. A technology that may still hold the key to unlocking sustainable energy for humanity today, awaiting our rediscovery. What if the pyramids were power plants? Throughout the arid landscapes of Egypt, towering structures rise from the sand, colossal pyramids that have withstood the tests of time. Egyptologists describe these monuments as grand tombs for pharaohs, designed to ensure a seamless transition to the afterlife. But could they serve a different purpose altogether? Some researchers propose that these ancient wonders were not merely sepulchres, but instead sophisticated energy generators. Evidence suggests that the Great Pyramid of Giza, with its precise alignment to the cardinal points, was engineered to capture and harness energy from the Earth's magnetic field. Imagine a civilization that understood the flow of energy in ways we have only begun to comprehend. What if the Great Pyramid, with its limestone casing and massive granite core, functioned like a giant capacitor, storing and transmitting energy across great distances? Compelling theories hint at the use of advanced technologies, perhaps even sound frequencies resonating through the pyramid's internal chambers, creating vibrations that could generate electric currents. Ancient texts describe the use of sacred sound in rituals. Was this the key to unlocking the pyramid's true potential? Furthermore, the presence of water in the vicinity of the pyramids raises intriguing questions. Could the Nile River have been utilized in conjunction with these structures to amplify their power output? Ancient Egyptian depictions show gods wielding symbols of power, possibly alluding to a sophisticated understanding of energy manipulation. What if these gods were beings imparting knowledge of advanced technologies to humanity? If the pyramids indeed functioned as energy plants, what happened to this knowledge? Was it purposefully hidden, lost to time? Or is it simply veiled within the myths and legends of antiquity? As we delve deeper into the mysteries surrounding these monumental structures, we may find that they hold secrets to a forgotten technology, a legacy of energy that once coursed through the veins of the ancient world, waiting to be uncovered once again. The pyramids of Egypt. From the grandiosity of the Great Pyramid of Giza to the lesser-known complexes scattered across the desert landscape, they've stood the test of time, shrouded in mystery and awe. For centuries, historians have suggested that these structures served as tombs for pharaohs, monuments to their power, and reminders of their divine connection. But what if these colossal edifices were not simply burial sites, but something far more advanced? Ancient texts describe the pyramids as places of immense energy, where forces unseen coursed through the stone blocks and floated in the air. Some theorists propose that these structures could have acted as power plants, harnessing energies from the earth and the cosmos. The alignment of the pyramids is almost perfect, positioned with remarkable precision to the cardinal points. Could this be mere coincidence, or does it point toward a greater purpose? Some researchers speculate that their orientation was a deliberate design for capturing celestial alignments and cosmic energies. But how would this ancient technology have worked? Some suggest that the pyramids were designed to generate electromagnetic energy, using the abundant limestone and granite, which possess piezoelectric properties. Water could have played a role, flowing through subterranean channels, creating vibrations and energy fields that reverberated through the stones. Consider the possibility that the pyramids were part of a vast network of energy-producing structures, connected by underground tunnels. If so, then the ancient Egyptians may have possessed knowledge and skills that enabled them to manipulate natural forces in ways we are only beginning to comprehend. What about the legends of the light that emanated from these structures? Ancient texts speak of divine illumination, a glow that symbolized enlightenment and the transcendence of the soul. Could this light have stemmed from the very energies harnessed within the pyramids themselves? Modern technology has scratched the surface of understanding these concepts. Studies in resonance and frequency show that certain structures can interact with sound in ways that amplify energy. Could it be that the builders of the pyramids understood these principles, employing them to create a harmonious relationship between man and nature? If these ancient people had access to such advanced knowledge, what happened to it? Was it lost to time, buried beneath sands of history? Or do remnants of this profound legacy still exist, hidden beneath layers of skepticism and doubt, waiting for humanity to rediscover its true potential? As we continue to unravel the mysteries of the pyramids, one question looms large. What if these monumental structures are not merely tombs, but catalysts of power and enlightenment? The answers may be closer than we think, and their implications could reshape our understanding of human history. Ancient Egypt, a land of monumental structures and profound mysteries. At the heart of this civilization stand the pyramids, towering monuments of stone that have captured human imagination for millennia. But what if these incredible structures were not just tombs for pharaohs, but something far grander? Some researchers propose that the Great Pyramid of Giza, with its precise alignment and massive stones, was designed as an energy generator, capable of harnessing the natural frequencies of the earth itself. Could it be that the ancients knew about vibrational energy? Evidence suggests that sound and resonance played a vital role in their architecture. In many ways, the pyramids were built like musical instruments. Hollow chambers and precisely placed stones could create resonant frequencies, which may have been used to generate power or even facilitate communication across vast distances. Imagine the air vibrating with energy, a hum that resonates through the very stones of the pyramid. There are tales of priests using chants and rituals within these sacred spaces, potentially activating hidden technologies. Alignments with celestial bodies could have maximized energy absorption, funneling cosmic power into their constructs. Perhaps the Egyptians were aware that the universe pulses with rhythm, and through intricate design, they tapped into this universal beat. Modern science is beginning to explore the concept of vibrational energy and its potential applications. Some believe that the pyramids could emit frequencies that not only support life, but also enhance it. As we uncover more about these ancient structures, the question remains: are we on the brink of rediscovering a technology that once thrived in these stone giants? Could the pyramids be more than mere tombs? Might they hold the key to unlocking the mysteries of energy, consciousness, and our connection to the cosmos? In their silence, the pyramids hum with secrets yet untold, waiting for us to decipher their ancient message. What if the pyramids were power plants? The great debate: archaeology versus energy. From the majestic structures of Giza to the lesser-known pyramids of Nubia, the monumental edifices of ancient Egypt have captivated minds for centuries. Conventional archaeology tells us these were grand tombs for pharaohs, designed to aid in the journey to the afterlife. But what if there is more to the story? The Great Pyramid of Giza stands as a testament to ancient engineering, a marvel of precision with its alignment to the cardinal points of the compass. Its very shape, resembling a conductor of energy, has led some theorists to propose a radical idea. What if these structures were not just tombs, but sophisticated energy generators? Could it be possible that ancient Egyptians harnessed the Earth's natural energies to achieve great feats? Across the globe, various ancient sites share similar characteristics. Monumental stone structures aligned with celestial bodies, from the ancient ziggurats of Mesopotamia to the towering megaliths of Stonehenge. These sites often showcase precise alignment with the sun, moon, and stars, indicating a profound knowledge of astronomical cycles. But could this also suggest a forgotten technology capable of producing and manipulating energy? Some researchers have examined the materials used in pyramid construction. The granite blocks, often containing quartz, and the limestone casing, known for its piezoelectric properties, may have formed a system that could generate energy when subjected to pressure. If vibrations were created through human activity or natural forces, could these structures have transformed sound into usable energy, enough to power the civilization's needs? If we consider the possibility that the ancient Egyptians possessed knowledge lost to time, could the pyramids have served as hubs of energy, distributing power across the land? It's a tantalizing thought. Ancient workers channeling energy through vast stone networks, bringing life to their cities. But if this profound technology existed, what caused its decline? As we delve deeper into the implications of these ancient structures, the lines between history and speculation begin to blur. Were the pyramids merely tombs, or could they have served a dual purpose? Is there a connection between ancient ritual practices and energy generation, as sacred ceremonies could have been intertwined with technology? Modern science continues to uncover the mysteries of energy, leaving us to ponder the potential of our ancestors. If they were able to harness energy in ways we are just beginning to understand, what would that mean for our current interpretation of history? Perhaps it is time to re-examine the evidence, to look beyond the conventional views of the past, and to consider the possibility that the pyramids were not just monumental tombs, but immense power plants, capable of harnessing the forces of nature, waiting for us to uncover the secrets they hold and the knowledge that may be lost, yet lies within reach. What if the pyramids were power plants? Across the vast deserts of Egypt, towering above the sands, the Great Pyramid of Giza stands as a testament to ancient ingenuity. But what if its purpose was not merely as a tomb for pharaohs, but as a colossal machine designed to harness and transmit energy? Modern science has begun to unravel some of the mysteries surrounding these ancient structures. Researchers have discovered that the pyramids are aligned with incredible precision to the cardinal points of the compass. This suggests a sophisticated understanding of geometry and astronomy. But could this alignment also hint at their function as energy generators? Some theorists propose that the pyramids utilized a unique combination of materials, such as limestone and granite, which can conduct energy. The natural piezoelectric properties of these stones may have allowed the pyramids to convert seismic or electromagnetic energy from the earth into a usable form. A power source that could have been tapped by the ancient Egyptians. Intriguingly, ancient texts and artifacts depict scenes of the pharaohs surrounded by light. These images could represent a form of illumination beyond candles and torches. Perhaps the ancients had access to a form of energy production that has since been lost to history. Further investigation reveals that the pyramids are not alone in their potential functionality. Similar structures around the world, from the ziggurats of Mesopotamia to the step pyramids of Mesoamerica, exhibit alignments and designs that suggest they too could have served as energy generation sites. What if these ancient civilizations were interconnected by their shared knowledge of harnessing the Earth's power? In recent years, scientists have begun experimenting with the idea of resonant frequencies. They've found that certain frequencies can indeed induce electromagnetic fields. Could it be that the ancient Egyptians constructed their pyramids with these principles in mind? Were they not only monumental tombs, but also catalysts for energy and transformation? As modern engineering continues to explore sustainable energy solutions, one cannot help but wonder if the secrets of the past hold the key to our future. Could the pyramids, once thought to be solely monuments to the dead, instead be the remnants of an ancient civilization that thrived by tapping into the forces of nature itself? What if these incredible structures are, in fact, reminders of humanity's forgotten potential? If the pyramids were indeed power plants, then the knowledge that powered them may still linger in the very fabric of our world, waiting for someone to unlock their mysteries once more. The Great Pyramids of Giza stand as monuments to human ingenuity, enormous edifices that have captivated the imagination for millennia. Built over 4,000 years ago, they have long been associated with ancient kings and the afterlife. Yet, could they serve a purpose far beyond mere tombs? Scholars have studied the pyramids extensively, attributing their construction to the skills of various laborers and the will of emperors. But the precision of their design raises questions that cannot be easily dismissed. What if these structures were not just burial sites, but powerful energy generators? Some theorists propose that the pyramids were equipped with advanced technology, harnessing the natural energies of the earth, the sun, and perhaps even the cosmos itself. The alignment of the structures with celestial bodies is astoundingly precise. The Great Pyramid of Khufu, for instance, is oriented to true north with a remarkable accuracy of just 0.067 degrees. Could these alignments have played a crucial role in a broader system of energy generation? Researchers have identified that the pyramids are made of limestone, which has piezoelectric properties, meaning it can generate electrical charge when subjected to pressure. It has been suggested that as the earth shifts and vibrates, these stones might have acted as conduits for energy. Moreover, the pyramidal shape itself is unique. Its geometric design has been shown to create specific sound frequencies that resonate throughout its massive stones. Ancient texts talk about sound and vibration having transformative properties. What if these structures were designed to amplify energies in a way that is only now beginning to be understood? Artifacts from ancient cultures often depict sound, light, and energy in ways that challenge our conventional understanding. Could it be that the ancients had knowledge of harnessing energy in ways that modern science is only beginning to explore? As researchers delve deeper into the properties of the pyramids, they discover that the shafts and chambers within the structures resonate in harmony, creating wavelengths that might influence both the physical and spiritual realms. Could they have served as a bridge between our world and a greater cosmic consciousness? If we consider the possibility that these pyramids were not simply designed for the afterlife, but as a means to unlock the mysteries of energy and existence itself, it raises more questions than it answers. Who were the ancient architects? What drove them to create such awe-inspiring monuments? Ultimately, the pyramids may be more than mere stone and gravel. They could represent a lost technology, one that once connected humanity to the very forces of the universe. And perhaps it is a technology we are only just beginning to rediscover. What if the pyramids were power plants? Across the arid sands of Egypt, the Great Pyramid of Giza stands as a testament to ancient ingenuity. A colossal structure crafted with unparalleled precision. But what if it served a purpose far beyond that of a royal tomb? Scholars typically view these monumental edifices as grand burial sites for pharaohs. Yet, certain researchers propose an alternative theory, that the pyramids may have functioned as energy generators, harnessing natural forces that once flowed through the earth. The pyramids' geometric design, with their perfect alignment to the cardinal points, suggests a deep understanding of the planet's energy fields. The ancient Egyptians revered the sun, and some theorists argue that these structures were built to capture solar energy, a marvel of ancient engineering that transcended mere symbolism. Consider the material used in construction: limestone and granite, known for their conductivity. Could these stones have been chosen for their unique properties, allowing them to act as conduits for energy? Legends tell of the Ka, the life force believed to inhabit every individual. What if the pyramids were not just tombs, but devices that amplified this energy, allowing the living to connect with the divine? Recent studies in resonance and frequency reveal that certain shapes and materials can interact with sound waves. Could the pyramids have been designed to produce specific frequencies that would enhance human consciousness, leading to heightened awareness and spiritual experiences? The ancient Egyptians were masters of mathematics and astronomy, yet their knowledge may have extended into realms we are only beginning to understand. What if they had unlocked the secrets of energy manipulation, utilizing the pyramids as beacons of power that once lit up their civilization? If this technology existed, why is it no longer understood? Was it lost to the ages, or did it fall into disuse as cultures shifted and evolved? As we explore this possibility, the question remains: could there still be untapped knowledge hidden within these massive stone structures? What if the pyramids are not just relics of the past, but keys to a forgotten science, waiting for us to rediscover their true potential? What if the pyramids were power plants, giant structures of stone? From Giza to the Yucatan, these monumental edifices have puzzled scholars for centuries. Traditionally thought to serve as tombs for pharaohs or leaders, could they have had an entirely different purpose? Could these ancient marvels have been advanced energy generators, harnessing the very forces of nature? Consider the precise alignments of the pyramids, with astronomical phenomena, the way the Great Pyramid points to true north, and the incredible precision of its dimensions. Some researchers argue that these staggering feats of engineering were not just for aesthetics, but were designed to capture the energy of the Earth's magnetic field. Not far from the pyramids, the ancient Egyptians revered the sun, recognizing its power and significance in their culture. What if they discovered a way to convert solar energy into a usable form? Could these structures have acted as conduits, transforming sunlight into energy that fueled their civilization? Furthermore, the interior chambers and passageways of the pyramids are often cited for their unique acoustics. Could they have been designed to resonate at particular frequencies? Research suggests that certain frequencies can influence energy flow, creating a harmonic resonance that amplifies power. This raises the question: did the builders possess knowledge of sound and energy well beyond our current understanding? Were they tapping into a hidden science, using geometry and alignment to create an advanced energy system? Ancient texts speak of lost wisdom, of knowledge hidden away from the masses. What if the technology that once made these power plants function was deliberately obscured, lost to time, but not to memory? The remnants of this ancient energy technology could still lie beneath the sands, waiting for modern explorers to uncover its secrets, to reveal a forgotten legacy of human ingenuity and cosmic connection. In an age increasingly focused on renewable energy, could the pyramids hold the key to bridging the past and the future? A reminder of how humanity once harnessed the forces of nature, and perhaps a guide to reigniting that potential once more.